We have a 1.3 amp hour, 1.5 amp hour, 3 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and 6 amp hour. I'm going to start off with the 1.3. Okay, it's definitely struggling a little bit. We'll go to the 1.5. It's actually noticeably quicker. Super scientific way we're doing this here. It's pretty good. That's even more powerful, as you can guess. Now we're doing the 4. It's not the HP, the 3 amp hour. I believe they only have that in HP, but this is just the 4 amp hour, non-HP. The 4 does pretty good, but it feels like the HP battery, the 3 amp hour HP battery, actually does give you a little more boost. And I know this isn't brushless and it's the old tool, but I can still tell a power difference between the 3 and the 4. And the 3, when I was in there pretty far and it was struggling, did seem to help the tool out. Pretty legit. And that was the 6 amp hour. And of course, on all of these, let's see, what do we got here? That actually took a bar. What we did with the 4 amp hour didn't take any. Check out the 3. The 3 didn't take any, but we only did it for a second. But that shows you the drain it's putting on it. 1.5, and you can't tell with the 3. All right. So now we're gonna get crazy. Well, I don't know if it's crazy or not, but we'll use the 6. pretty legit. Let's check the battery. It's not warm at all. Still only 1 bar gone. That's impressive. And I didn't cut flush with here. That's what I cut right there. Compared to the battery, it's pretty good size. I don't have a measurement, but that's pretty good. The chainsaw is a little warm, but I was going that whole time non-stop. And the oil, the bar chain oil, is still pretty full. And I've even used it. I've used it quite a bit on that. It doesn't take the chain oil up very bad at all, but I've used it quite a bit, so it wasn't super sharp.